you on the left, you in the middle right. You'll sit right here, okay? I have a handle right there in case you get scared. Grab that handle. And fix the handle right there. Alright. Here we go. Take your outside foot in the front, shove it forward. Inside foot, shove it back. Always hold that T-grip, okay? I got hit in the face yesterday. What the hell? That would have popped that boat. Okay. Hold the T-grips. Take your outside hand in the air. Still hold that T-grip. Now take your left hand in the air. Put it on the person in front of you. Lean forward. Lean back. Lean forward. Lean back. Alright, that's how we want to paddle. So you are my lead paddler. So when he puts his paddle in, we all put our paddle in. I can overcorrect her. But the four, we need to be in sync. You can be in sync too, that'd be cool. Alright? You guys ready to try it? Yep. We're going to try some paddles. Okay? Alright, all forward one. Actually paddle. And forward one means one time. Forward one. Forward one. Forward two. Back one. Back pedal one. I'll meet you at Beaver, Chris. Hey, Chris. I'll meet you at Beaver. Alright, guys. Forward three. Forward one. Forward two. You guys want to count it out? You guys can. Forward one. One. Nice job, guys. That's Arnold. Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Oh, is he?
Swear. I'm being dead serious.
Yeah.
He sold that house last year.
He sold it.
The water was really low. Now it's really high. Former governor. Forward two. We are running about 2,049 cubic feet per second. We were running 2 months ago at 8,000. 2,000. We dropped 6,000 CFS, or cubic feet per second. The regulation basketball is 1 cubic foot. So 2,000 cubic feet are passing one line across the river a second. Yes. Beginning like about a month and a half ago. So this first rapid right here is our first class 2, called Little Mama. 2. Forward 3. Forward 3. Forward 2 more. Forward 2. Only 2, bud. Forward 3. Forward 2. Having fun? I remember you guys from a couple days ago. You guys went with who? Zach? That's my older. That's my younger brother. I'm the older one. It's his first year guiding. It's my third year guiding. Yeah. Yeah. They don't want to flip. You guys want to flip? I'll flip you guys. But yeah, I don't want to flip the hood. I flipped yesterday. On purpose. Yeah. 4. 4 big dudes. They were big guys. Forward 2. We call this Beaver Pond. We're gonna pull off to the side. Gonna wait for Chris over here to get down the river. To get down that rapid. You guys hear it? Older than I am. Oh yeah. Alright guys, forward 3. Forward 2. This river feeds the lake. both going on second time. The only difference is these two are going up to Pizza Bar and have some really good pizza. I just remember I'm gonna get some food. I love the lunch trips that get fed too. Some days being a guide, you go without eating all day. You're always busy. Doing it works. It never works like that. I had it happen to me one time where I was on a lunch trip 7 days straight. And I was loving every minute of it. Yeah, I had a Bakersfield Boogie, which is these guys are on, or I had a Scenic Sequoia, which is all day. It's 4 trips. Then I get put on 4 more trips after that. People get tired when they come down to right here. I do, on average, 3 trips a day. Having a good time? Alright, this is where I do backflips. No. That. Flip. Whoa. 2 in the front. Forward 1.
Right.
That's rude. That's rude. Hey, smile.
Woo. Yay. All right, backflip.
I have video of you.
I have video, better, right? Whoa! Yay! Freezing down there, huh?
Oh yeah, it's cold.
It is cold.
Real cold.
Woo.
What's next? Where are you guys from? I do it better when it's not 10 o'clock in the morning and freezing. Alright, so what do you want to do? Sweep or lead? Alright, later I'll see you guys at the bottom. Are you going to hop in, guys? Chris, ready? Alright, let's go ahead and grab you guys' T grips. Back pedal 3. Forward 2. Same time, guys. Water's real cold. This next rapid's our first class 3. Forward 2. Forward 1. Forward 1. This is Big Daddy. You guys ready? Forward 3. Two more. does that? Over 2.
You have a look at that? Oh yeah. There they go. How many people have they got? 7 or 8?
That is 6 people. We have 5. So there were more weighted than there's 7 people in that boat right now. We have 6. Over 3. Two more. Over 3. Back 1. I wish. We are not, a raft guy does not make that much money.